following New Jersey counties Morris, Sussex, and Warren, Northampton County, Pennsylvania. Effective until 2:32 p.m., the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morris County, in northern New Jersey, south-central Sussex County, in northwestern New Jersey, central Warren County, in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Northampton County, in eastern Pennsylvania. Until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Columbia, or 17 miles northeast of Easton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Papatcon, Hackettstown, Flaherstown, Mount Arlington, Stanhope, Netcon, Belvidere, Oxford, Poe, Chester, Delaware Water Gap, Andover, Great Meadows, Vienna, Almaty, Panther Valley, Sokasuna, Kenville, Greendale, Long Valley, Columbia, and Bud Lake. This includes Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 30. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm. All COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a radar indicates